In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workflow in n8n. Whether you're tidying up old projects or removing workflows that are no longer needed, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of deleting workflows in n8n. Let's dive right in. First, open your n8n environment. Once you're in, the initial step is to navigate to the Personal section, which you'll find by looking at the left sidebar of your dashboard. The Personal section generally houses your personal workflows and projects. Clicking on it helps in organizing your work better and is the starting point for managing your workflows. Now that you're in the Personal section, the next step is to proceed to the Workflows tab. The Workflows tab is essentially the heart of your n8n workspace, where all your workflows are listed. Clicking this tab will provide you with a comprehensive list of all the workflows you've created or are part of within that category. This step is crucial as it allows you to manage or edit or delete workflows from one central location. After opening the Workflows tab, your next action is to look for a small filter icon, usually located towards the right side of your screen. This icon plays a key role in refining your search and helps you easily find specific workflows. By clicking on the filter icon, you're enabling several viewing options that allow you to quickly pinpoint the workflows you're intending to manage, specifically those that have been archived. Once you've clicked the filter icon, a drop-down or menu should appear, presenting various options. From these options, you're going to select Show Archived Workflows. It's essential to understand why this step matters. Archived workflows are those that you've put aside, perhaps intending to revisit or finalize at a later stage. By showing archived workflows, you ensure that you aren't just removing an active workflow, but are sorting through your archived list to manage any workflows that may otherwise linger unnecessarily in your workspace. Moving forward, once you're viewing the archived workflows, look for the specific workflow you wish to delete. Next to each workflow, you will see three vertical dots, often referred to as the More or Options menu. Click on these three dots. It's here that you will access various management actions specific to the workflow you've selected. Finally, from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the three dots, simply click on Delete. A prompt or confirmation message may appear, asking you to confirm your decision to permanently remove the selected workflow. Confirm the deletion, and just like that, the workflow will be permanently deleted from your n8n environment. And there you have it, a straightforward procedure to help you efficiently delete workflows in n8n. With these steps, you'll maintain a clutter-free workspace and ensure that only necessary workflows are retained. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.